Hey guys, in this video I wanted to share some simple prompts for journaling on a daily basis. A lot of people say they don't know what to write about, so I put together some basic questions you can ask yourself every day when you sit to write in your journal. This journal spread you see me doing includes answers to all of these prompts. Some of them I've just written about, and some of them I've also included mementos or decorations that are symbolic of something that happened during the day. So the first easy prompt you can ask yourself is what you ate that day. I decided to include the packet from my chopsticks because I had sushi that day. So it's really fun to include packaging wherever you can, but you could also write lists or just go over sort of anything that you ate that was especially yummy or memorable. So the next prompt is what you wore, and I decided to draw a little picture of what I wore this day just to make it a little bit more fun. Drawing is always a really simple and easy way to decorate your journal and to be able to make custom decoration that suits whatever you're writing about. So I decided to draw the outfit I was wearing this day just to make it a little bit more fun and to help narrate the journaling that I'll be writing later on in this video. The next daily prompt is how you feel or how you felt. So you can write about your range of emotions throughout the whole day or just how you feel right now. Try to be honest in your journal, especially when it comes to how you feel, as this can be a really great stress reliever and it helps give you clarity on how you're feeling and how you can sort of move forward. The next prompt is what you did, so you can literally just relay the day you had, and it doesn't matter if it was a boring normal day. Just jot down some moments that stood out to you or sort of go over your routines or what you filled your day with. The next prompt is who you met, and this can be someone you met at the store, it can be the postman, it can be someone you said hello to on a walk, or even someone you spoke to on the phone. I wrote about a lady I met in the waiting room at the vet. The next prompt is to do, so this can be generally or what you need to do tomorrow. So it can be like a long-term or short-term to-do list, but this just helps me map out the tasks that I have weighing on my mind, and it helps me prioritize which tasks need to be done first, as well as helps me be more productive towards completing them and sort of working out what actions I need to take. The next prompt is highlight of the day. So just pick a moment of your day that really stood out or made you feel the best or the happiest throughout the whole entire day, and just write about why it made you feel that way and why it was the highlight. So the last prompt is grateful for, and this is just a really good prompt to round up a journaling session, because even if you maybe didn't have the best day, you can always end it on a positive note by taking a moment to jot down something that you're thankful for. This really just helps us to focus on the positives rather than the negatives. So these journal prompts are ones you can use every day to get you in the routine of journaling, And if you're not sure where to start, it's a really good, easy starting point. So maybe just take a moment to write down the prompts and you can refer back to them when you feel stuck. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.